Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I cut my nails off and I put down a base coat and then just wiped off the tackulaire, put down some peelies, my favorite peel off base coat right there. And today I'm going to try to do a whole set of nails with polygel, and these are the only nails that fit me. Well, the dual forms that fit me. These big huge ones that look like a shrimp, they curl. I'm really not a fan. So I got my little slip solution. I'm using this one from Dipped in Pretty. It is called Love is Kind. It's a pretty shade. It's like a nude, I would guess. I don't know, but it's pretty. And yeah, so let this shit show begin. I was surprised at how long it took, number one. And they didn't turn out like horrible, but I mean they were pretty good for actually my first time. I've done it like on my thumb a few times, but never put much effort into it. Well, now I'm gonna realize I just should have sprayed that little spatula thing with some rubbing alcohol, because it just seemed it was all over it, and I'm very fumbly, as you can see. I think that, yeah, this is sped up a little bit, because this, just to do this one nail was like, I don't know, like 20 minutes. It was a long one. So I was trying not to make it too thick or too thin. See, that's what I'm talking about, fumbly. I needed more. Go back in, get some more, stick it in. This stuff is sticky as hell, man. It seemed like it was all over my right hand. All over it. Everything just felt like a sticky mess. So my dumb ass thought, okay, let's go long. So I brought it down pretty much to the last line, I think. So yeah, and that's just what I'm doing, is spreading it out. I don't want the cuticle area to be thick, and I don't want the tip to be thick. So I'm just trying to like push the stuff to the middle, if that makes sense. Because like I said, this is not my thing. So I had to pause and get some those clips. And I didn't butt it up right close to my cuticle at all. I left about 2 millimeters, and because I didn't put a lot of product in, even if I squeezed, it didn't come out a lot. So I'm just gonna check to make sure nothing goes under my natural nail, and then I will cure it for 30 seconds, because I looked at the back of the tube. And this was a PETA trying to get it. It looks so easy in videos. They're like, pinch, wiggle, wiggle, and it pops off. And I'm like, no. I'm trying to pry that bitch off. Oh, yep. It's me trying to pry it off. I was surprised that, you know, it came out. It was rather long, but I did it. But with how long that took me to do it, you can see like there's that little lip but I end up filing that. So I'm gonna pause and I'll do the rest of my hand. And there's the rest of my hand, like an hour and a half later. That one I got too close to the cuticle and it like puddled out. So I'm only going to show the shaping and filing of my thumb. I think there was a lot of spots that were like very thin. I'm just trying to close up everything to make sure, check to make sure they're going to stand up, because I do have peel base on. I didn't want one to pop off while I was filing. So I am just going to file this up. As you saw on the screen, it's sped up. That was really, really slow trying to do this. It's not easy to stay in frame and do it. It's not easy to look at all angles and do it. Oh, yeah, that's filing. Nothing special there. I do believe I bring out, I'm just trying to like file down, smooth out that lip. And I do go back in after I'm done filing and I put just a smidge of polygel and spread it out and then file and buff over again. You don't see any of that. You're only going to see me struggle with this thumb. I think it was on my ring finger. There was like a spot on my blind side of the ring finger that was missing some polygel, so I had to patch that and file and buff it. I'm just trying to check to see how things are. Just filing, that's all it is. Get that smoothie buffer out. I love this file. Love it. And they last for like forever too. Well worth it. The $1.25, oh, $1.50, whatever it is. They were just really long. I think for my first time I shouldn't have gone so long. I don't even know what shape I was going for. The coffin, ballerina. I don't know. No clue. So yeah, I'll just let you watch this and I will be back. And I'm back. They're all done. They're sturdy. There are some gaps or gaps, or however you want to say it, near the cuticles. But it was a struggle. I went outside. I was filing out there because natural light you can see better. So I was gonna put some like builder gel on. That's what I'm reaching for, but I decided not to use it. That was just the first one that I could grab because I moved things around in my room. Yeah, I was gonna encapsulate it. It was rather long. I ended up doing a gel design on the thumb. I'm just showing you like little mistakes, like where it's still transparent. But not bad for my first time. I think I shouldn't have gone so long. And yeah, I did a little gel design on my thumb. I didn't show it. And these are them pried off. They came off easy. It looks like a hot mess, like it might have been painful, but that's it guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.